Today I'm going to replace these stabilizer links on both sides and check the bushings on the stabilizer shaft here. I've always referred to this as a torsion bar, but the terminology is stabilizer shaft. These shaft link bolts, one here and then there's one right down here, are on with 59 foot-pounds of torque. I don't always use a rubber mallet. Sometimes I use a regular sledge, about 3 pound. But when I can, I try and use a rubber mallet when I'm breaking loose. I used to use my hands, but they're getting a little old and it's hard on them. Put a little lubricant on the threads before you do this. Now when this bottom one starts spinning on you, you can probably just take it and pull back like this, add some tension to the bolt, and if you got some lubricant on the threads, that should come right off. Or get loose enough, you can take it loose with your fingers, one or the other. Okay, there's number 2. There's a little noise I was hearing when I'd hit a bump, and I suspected these. Anyway, I don't know if you can hear that or not. I bought AC Delco replacements for them, and they come with new nuts and instructions on how to put them on. Just notice they have a little hex key in the center to hold it in case they start turning. The ones I took off did not. Okay, got to put the new one in. Okay, the hex key is 6 millimeter, and I'll be using my 18 millimeter Craftsman pass-through socket to get this thing started. Have another 6 millimeter hex key with a handle on it. I'll see if I can hold it with that. Now to put both nuts down to 59 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, I tightened the nut on pretty good with the 1/2-inch drive, same one I took it off with, and got my torque wrench and put a swivel on it. Don't like swivels on torque wrenches, but you just can't get to this thing here. Okay, that one's there. Okay, the top one. Okay, 59 foot-pounds there. Okay, looking at the back bushing, which should probably be replaced before you do the stabilizer link. I've seen worse. On to the passenger side now. And that one's off of there. Okay, time for the new one. Trying a little bit different on this side. Got it. Okay, got that one. And there's the bushing for this side. It looks good as well. It looks like there's a little more room on this side to get to the back bolt. The other one has lines in its way. Anyway, that's another project if and when it needs to be done. Okay, thanks everyone for subscribing. Thank you for watching. And until the next video, hope all your stabilizer link shafts go well. Sure is nice to have new parts, I know that. Anyway, Steve AZ 711 saying bye for now.